the mini kitchen of Tateli with double tateli with one day chutney of taken one second sago and hello guys, I'm giving a review of this restaurant, like how the tateli is famous here. Second one they have given two tatlis, medium tateli. They'll give sago, they'll give and they'll give Amma put sago and this comes at Betty Highway. So you come into after Betty Patel Bank, Patel Bank, come and right away you see Big Boy Shiva, Sri Shiva, Darshana, Shik Tateli Hotel is the name of this hotel. You come and have this receive the tateli with butter and one single vada, one sago, chutney and giver. And the chutney is so spicy. Adura is the review of this tateli like that. And it is a very piping car. When I saw it, there's a long queue there with piping idlis they are giving you. And this hotel is started in 1950. This hotel was started, and it's 150 years old. The whole you can say 100 years old as well. And when I saw that picture, it was not dispatched advanced hotel. It was in a small roadside hotel. It was like roadside shed hotel. Now it becomes dispatched. Already I have shown in this video, I guess. And this is basically a food video I'm showing you. In myself, I'll show some food videos. I'll show you if I can. I'll see what food I can get there. I'll show you with the camera. I'll show you. And then this all guys. This is what I put a take. Signing off from Namma Banjar. This is college area. There is a ground called Vinny Mantapa. And what is the left side is the LIC headquarters of Mysore. This is the LIC headquarters of Mysore, and this is a famous LIC circle we call us. If you go right side, we'll go to Mysore Palace Zoo. We'll go. Vinny Mantapa. This is college area. There is a ground called Vinny Mantapa. And what is the left side is the LIC headquarters of Mysore. This is the LIC headquarters of Mysore, and this is a famous LIC circle we call us. If you go right side, we'll go to Mysore Palace Zoo. We'll go. Just such. I'm not gone once as a childhood. I went to this once. This is such. You have seen all motor vloggers. Last time Big Bang showed this touch in this video. Today I am showing you in front of the video. You go on the right side, will go, and this is the main post office of Mysore. Well, as India Post. How in Bangalore we have GPO. We have this is Mysore GPO, Indian Post Office. This pin codes. It's a very old post office. Opposite post office we have a bank, SBI headquarters here of Mysore. And in the this is Bangalore one we have in the right.
Southeastern Railway headquarters.
So South Indian Railway headquarters of Mysore. Left now to that one. And Mysore RTO pin code is K09. ಇದು ರೇಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಪಕ್ಕ ಇರೋದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಲ್ ದ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕೆರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಟೋನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಏನ್ ಕಂಟೋನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಟೂ ವೀಲ್ ಬೈ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಶೋಕ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿಪುರಂ
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ವೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Chennai, Kerala, then the Bangalore trains come and favorite. That's the bunny. That's the bunny. Bunny. Here. It's a bunny. This is the teak that there was a lot of trees kept there. It has been chopped off and this is. And you see how beautiful weather gets. How beautiful weather we have. Weather in Mysore. Good weather guys. Beautiful guys. I'm currently in Mysore now. My grandma's house. And today I'm going to Underworld Aquarium plus Mysore. We're going to Mysore Palace to see the lighting of temple, lighting and the temple. Yes. I'll go to again. When will come back? This is Kumpanagar main library. There's a library inside that building. Aquarium and under the aquarium and Mysore Palace are going to see the lighting and the temple. This is the main Apollo Hospital. This is Apollo Hospital and left will go to Keras Dam. Yen circle Ramaswamy circle towards Mysore Palace. We're going to go Mysore. This is Mysore BMTC bus. Mysore BMTC bus. Color is green color BMTC bus of Mysore. Hospital. It is run by Swamiji. Under Swamiji, management is run. Jesus Medical College come hospital is here. Jesus Hospital of Mysore. कैसा ऑप्शन आएगा? आएगा इसी 10 तक ऑप्शन ग्राउंड क्या है? Totally Mysore we are totally 4 to 5 malls we have in Mysore we are totally, and another that one we have one is Garuda Mall. First one is Mall of Mysore, second is Garuda Mall, second is DRC Mall. Parade ground is there in MG Road in Madison, Mysore parade ground. There all the training happens there, army training happens. Model picture Hello guys, we're coming to Akpate Kingdom. With my auntie have come here to see the sightseeing place today. And this is shark. And there is some smart stick. There is a smart stitch there. This is some beautiful. And the way is such beautiful there. And the right. This thing I'll show you. This is albino.
See, don't put garbage.
This is albino shark. It's albino shark, can say.
Albino shark.
Shark.
Baby shark.
Next one is flower horn.
Oh my God, look at that how it is.
This flower horn.
Baby zebra.
Next one is baby zebra.
It's so small there.
That is baby zebra. This is chili. Next one is green.
Snow park ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ನೀವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
ಮೊಟೊರಾ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ರೆ.
ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್.
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ರೆ. ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಿದು. ಅವರಂದ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್. It's similar to goldfish, or you can say. Similar to goldfish, or you can say. And silver dollar. Different agide. Red silver. This is red silver. Red silver. This is parrot fish. You can say. And this is the zebra dino. This is all zebra dino. This is albino red-eyed giant. This is Falles Bromia. This skin fall. Jewel fish. This tint. Alcina. Red cap. This angel. Freshwater crabs. Zebra, flower horn, eel, and a very eel. That's a eel. That's what a eel. Red crab. Hello guys, this is the tunnel of Mysore. Now can I see?
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಏನೋ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Look at that, the Mysore Palace.
No, you don't the hand.
Video actor.
One side.
That's wow, look at the Mysore. This is my side view, you can see Mysore Palace side view. Beautiful looking Mysore Palace. Palace Palace. You'll be how the Mysore will look like that. Palace, na? Big Ben and 3 big
Time they put
8 o'clock at 8 o'clock at that. That's a Mysore lighting, guys. Lighting. I can't zoom it because you know. Mysore. I'm not a world
market. This is the shopping area.
shopping of Mysore. I'll show it how it is come.
Bombay Tiffins.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಕು
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್.
ಹಾಂ
ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುರು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್.
ಹಾಂ
ಅದು ಮೈಸೂರು.
ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ಗುರು ಸ್ವೀಟಿಂದನೇ 500 ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗುರು ಸ್ವೀಟಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾಕಾಸುರ ಮಾದಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುತ್ತಾತ ಅವರು.
ಅವರಾ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೋದ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಕಾಕಾಸುರ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನವರು ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಮುಮ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪಾಕತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸಿಹಿ ಮಾಡಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಸ್ವೀಟನ್ನು ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಹಾಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಂಥ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರು. ಇದು ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇದಿತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕಾಕಾಸುರ ಮುಮ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರವರು ಮೈಸೂರು ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಪಾಕ ಶುಗರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮಾರು 80-85 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದು ಬಂದಂಥ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮದು 4th ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು 5th ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು 40 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಟೋಟಲಿ 85 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 1950 ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 70 40 ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
1914
ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಒಂದು 80-85 ವರ್ಷದ ಇತಿಹಾಸ.
ಹಾಂ
ನಾವು